Okay.
Like I didn't notice.
That's pretty good. Yeah. Oh no!
So GoPro for.
Yeah, POV.
Okay. Cool.
It's just water.
Yeah, so y'all are gonna be in POV for this one.
People have no problem.
Dude, wait, whoa, hang on. Is he actually wearing flip-flops in the rain?
Dude, this
Damn.
guy ran in the fountain last time.
Holy hell, okay.
Here we go, yeah.
Damn, okay.
Here we go, he's running in the fountain.
Hi, you guys have a reservation?
Yeah, that's where like
What the hell? Hang on. Bro, doesn't want to photograph. What the hell? Was that the first time? Ah, okay, it's back. Because let's see. Oh yeah, that can work. Okay, it's a bit wet here, but I feel like it should be alright. Okay, so obviously you see the center line, right? Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's the center line. So obviously try to stand basically around there and then try to figure out what you could do. Oh yeah, that could work. 3, 2, 1. Actually, let me switch my display because the display does a shit job. I go ahead, do whatever you want. Nice. Oh yeah, that's actually nice. And then do something with your hair. I don't know. Something with your hair. With your hair, something with your hair. Like lean, obviously, then do something with your hair, basically. Nice. Okay. I mean, it's a bit weird, but I mean, hey. Okay, now let's see. I mean, hang on. Okay, let me just make sure it's correct. Oh, hell yeah. Plus, because it has so much good lighting, actually. Okay, maybe hands in the pocket. I don't know. If you have, yeah. And then maybe just make some kind of a serious look. I don't know. Obviously, face kind of a bit straight, face a bit straight like this, but then look with your eyes this way, basically. I mean, a bit more to the right. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Look to the other side. Okay, maybe to my camera now. Play with your hair. Or do some weird stuff or funny stuff. I don't know. Up to you. I mean, it's modeling after all. Okay, now. Okay, I have an idea. Like maybe you can just maybe walk down the center line, basically. And I'm obviously gonna take you, like I mean, from the other side. Just walk to me, close towards me, basically. Yeah, towards me, basically. Yeah. I mean, not run. I mean, okay, that's a bit too far away. Get a bit closer. Okay, wait, hang on. Nice. That looks good. That was sick. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. I mean, let's start with the other models, I guess, because I mean, to make it more fun. Dude, you might like the spot back there actually. Okay, let me just make sure that my setup is good. Oh wow, damn.
This is a
oh my god, damn. Maybe look towards me and do something with your head, I guess. I don't know, whatever you want to do. Nice.
I also have a cigar in the pipe again. Too.
Oh, really? I mean, yeah, you can do cigar for stuff if you want. Yeah, that looks like, what, like 50 bucks or something?
Nah, I mean, it looks like that.
Yeah.
It's a nice cigar, but it's nice in the ring.
Yeah.
Like $25.
Exactly. Worth trying it. Oh, damn. Damn, wow. Okay, I definitely have photographed like a close-up of you. Yeah, I mean, you can turn on, hang on. I hope I'm not gonna get any disclaimer that it's like, or warning for that, that's an actual stuff or drug. Nice. Okay, definitely like this. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Damn, that's actually crazy. Wow. Okay, maybe a bit further away from the wall so we can get a blurrier background actually. Okay, this one should be good. Okay, that's pretty wide, yeah. Maybe look towards your left. Nice. Maybe try to look around as if you're looking for something, I don't know. Or like as if you're exploring something, I don't know. Nice. Damn. Wow, that was pretty good actually. That was pretty good.
Oh yeah.
And let me just scoot a bit further back. They're pretty good.
Oh,
wow.
that's
pretty good. I mean, I've never done these kind of shots where someone like actually cosplays or something. Or like it looks pretty good actually. I'm very impressed.
The fun thing is, these are just I always am accused of, well, not accused of. These are all just clothes that I own.
Yeah.
This is just like my wardrobe. So it's a fun.
Ah,
it's not a normal California.
Yeah, it looks more like somewhere like out of like somewhere central.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm from Colorado.
Ah, it makes sense. That makes sense actually.
So there's a slightly different vibe.
Yeah, I can tell. Like, since you're from Colorado, it kind of makes sense actually, because in California it's like definitely a bit different. Damn. Let me just do some lower angle shot if that works. I mean, okay, Smith. Okay, no. Oh, there we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nice, that was pretty good. Got some good amount of photo shoots. I mean, even though like it's clearly like actually, hang on. Let me try something from this shot angle. Hang on. Oh yeah, that's good actually. Oh, that's pretty good. You can look towards me if you want. Nice. Okay, I think that's a good amount. Oh, that's chaotic.
Wash one, call your girlfriend to wash the rest. But since you're a CS major, you don't have a girlfriend.
Bruh. Dude, why violating this hard? Why violating this hard? Come on, man.
Hey,
You don't need to violate this hard.
that's what my professor said. That's literally the example.
Damn. I guess that's kind of the truth about CS majors, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't have the
He's not computer
same
science.
issue.
God damn, this is actually...
And then Lisa
Wow, artsy.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah, because some else bailed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because weather.
Oh, nice to meet you, Esther.
Matt.
Matt?
Matt, yeah.
Hands are nice and gloved and warm.
Yeah, because European habits.
Yeah.
Gotta preserve those habits.
Esther.
Oh, we have another one, I think.
What's your name? God.
Yeah.
Kyle.
Hi, Jay, you're good.
Hey, Nate.
Glad to see you made it.
Yeah. Matt.
Jay.
Nice.
Jay. What's your name?
I guess I can just shoot a foil because it's not gonna do much anyways. Hey, hang on, wait.
Yeah,
hang on.
CJ.
Wait, hang on, I have an idea. Hang on, wait. Because we have the Ferris wheel in the background and it kind of looks...
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I mean, we could try something. Hang on, wait. Wait, hang on. Maybe lean here, maybe? I don't know. And because I'm trying to kind of photograph in a way that I can maybe make some cool... Yeah, wait. Yeah, look this way, yeah. Okay, that should be enough. Basically, this is the idea. Basically, so we can then edit up the shadows and then maybe kind of make the background kind of hella colorful. I guess I don't know if that's the right term. Holy fuck, it's dark. Oh, oh, much better. Nice.
Alright, look.
Oh, hang on. Oops. That's pretty good, actually. I hope it's in focus because it's an icon. I mean, it's not the worst icon. It's pretty good, actually. I mean, it's when you display it, then it's a bit rusty.
One of them
Yeah.
came, like, I didn't notice.
That's pretty good.
No, definitely.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Camera, we have a victim. I have. Ouch! Then gravity happened. Wait, gravity just decided to turn on, basically.
Yeah. Like in my hood.
It's like
What's your name?
Marco.
Marco, I'm Abigail.
Nice.
Matt?
Matt, Abigail.
How is your umbrella?
No, not Bell.
You know you're onto something.
Nah. when your brain's bigger than Elon Musk for a brief moment.
Here.
Basically.
Stick it.
No, actually, I like this.
Oh, you like that?
I like it.
Oh my
and
gosh,
really, I like everything already.
It works.
Oh, I thought you said words for a moment, not works.
Yeah, it works.
Let me know like what kind of.
Okay, we need better light. We need some studio lights here because I feel like it's a bit tough.
Yeah.
Because I'm on TikTok too much, so.
I know why.
I do post on TikTok, but like it depends.
I feel like you're not the target audience for these leggings. If I just had to guess.
I think it's because I post a lot of girls. So I just.
I did it too actually.
Yeah.
I mean, mainly for my school, mainly. Well, before I still.
If I posted more of myself, I wouldn't get them. But...
I mean, I don't do only portraits, but also like mainly street cars and I don't know, scenery. Because I don't know.
Yeah, I think their targeting is for whoever's in the video, which is almost never me.
Yeah, that's true.
Just like all the messages you get about guys asking for your number.
Wow.
Probably not.
Yeah, basically. Oh, holy shit! It's actually pretty good. Holy hell. We're trying to look at all the cameras, basically. I don't know. I mean, that's my idea. Wait, do something with your umbrella, actually. I don't know. Like spin into something. Do something with your umbrella. Kind of something fancy. Yeah.
You know, that's such a generic. Do something cute.
Yeah, or something. I know. You gotta
You gotta give them some description. Like,
yeah, something. I know. It's something that comes into their minds. I don't know. Like that's my idea. It does work. I mean, it does depend. I mean, it's not bad, but I feel.
That's too high.
That's too high. That was a bit too high.
Like, see how my.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, but it's because our blood's a bit different, so it's a bit of a difference.
What are you shooting on?
Nikon.
Oh no, like what lens?
50.
Oh.
Oh, holy shit! Wait, stand like there. Stand like that, because that looks. It's like a. Okay, maybe a bit. Look, maybe towards me a bit like that. Yeah. Holy hell. Damn. Okay, that was sick actually.
Hey, how does it look?
I mean, because the background kind of looked a bit interesting, so I thought.
Nice.
It's not bad actually.
Because they're doing a fantastic. So I don't like to tell models anything.
Ah, that's interesting.
When they're in the flow, unless.
Okay. Okay.
You're doing very well. I don't say anything when you're
Yeah, very phenomenal.
Nice.
Just to let you know.
Want me to hold the umbrella for you or something?
Would you like to?
Yeah.
You can get shades.
So nice.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Nice.
We went out to dinner together.
Yeah.
Nice.
Actually, I got that red umbrella.
Oh, it's getting a bit rainy again. Let's go. Let me try to figure out what to do.
You should put like a light up thing on his head.
Oh, genius. That's genius. Ah, yes, average German weather for me. Oh my god. Wait, should we exchange instance or?
Yeah? Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
That way.
Okay.
Something like that.
That's overwhelming. Yeah, we're okay. It's kind of crowded there, so that's gonna be interesting.
I forget where the power button is on these ones.
It's an actual switch on the end of it.
Yeah, I thought I.
Rubber.
Oh, this end. I was like looking on the tip.
Oh. Oh fuck, damn. Okay, that's a bit too bright. That's a bit too warm. That's a bit too cold. That's too cold. That's way too hot. Too hot. Too hot.
5,000 maybe?
Yeah, my photograph is kind of weird. Oh shit. Okay, we need to reduce that light then. Wait, can you reduce that light because then we...
So pretty. Will you do it again?
Wait, that's sick. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Shit.
Oh my god. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay.
Damn.
Marco can sell this on Etsy afterwards
Yeah.
for a markup.
Like, wait. Hold on.
Wait, that's a bit too far. That's a bit too far. Oh wait, this first line's right. It's first lines.
Are these waterproof?
No.
That's subtle.
I have another one. It's fine.
Power-wise?
No, that's good.
Okay.
All right. I need you to do like a, yeah, but in the other way.
Oh god, this is gonna be a bad idea.
Why is yours so much closer than mine?
Hang on, give me a sec. Let me switch
Okay, now.
Okay, let me know when I should come out.
No, no more Lego.
No more like
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants you to kick and jump.
What the hell? You actually want him to do that?
Look at the light.
Look at the light.
Does it go together? Yeah. There's a hole. So,
Actually, I'm gonna have you walk. I'm gonna take a video. Danny, can you walk with
Yeah,
it?
I'll Hollywood it.
Okay,
Hang on.
Let's start further that way.
we're being.
Right there. And then we're just gonna walk back
Walk towards you.
towards me. Ready? And then do a spin while you walk.
Spin and then look. Wait, spin while I walk there.
Yeah.
Okay, got it,
What
got it.
pace do you want us to go at?
Oh fuck.
Pretty slow.
Okay, we're gonna go pretty
Ready?
slow. Here we go.
No, just model.
Okay.
Is that why you got the touch screen for?
Whoa! Careful, sire.